As I'm sure is the case for many lawyers, your family predetermines what you're going to be. So if you're an argumentative person, naturally your family says, well, you should go into the law. I guess first and foremost, the initial thing that probably prompted me to gravitate to immigration law was the fact that I come from a family of first-generation Americans. So I was always aware of the fact that having the benefit of being a U.S. citizen was a really important thing. My father's most treasured possession was his naturalization certificate. My first externship while I was still in law school was with an immigration law firm, and I really just caught on to the excitement of it. And then as I have done this for more years, I have, I guess, retrospectively become convinced that this was my calling because I enjoy it so much and because I am able to provide a certain perspective.